been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn.
So guys, this is a full-length wig. If you want to undo it, you can just undo it and then blow dry it and wear it as a full-length wig. So this is how it looks. You can do the parting on the side like that, the side parting, and the hair is very, very light. When I shared the video on TikTok, this is how it looks, and then it's very, very light. By the way guys, it's very, very light. And then it has baby hair as well if you want to do the baby hair.
Until you break down.
So even when you hold it like this, very, very light. And then you can apply glue on the hairline to make it more secure. And then of course, if you watched my other full lace videos, you have to apply a foundation on the lace to make it blend well with your complexion. You can get this wig from my website, or you can just WhatsApp me and I'll send you this wig. I ship worldwide. This is how it looks at the back. Again, it's a full lace.
Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it.
So I always sew a band at the back just to make it more secure. Then I also always sew combs to make it even more secure.